So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this from. So, today we'll be teaching about on how you can create your YouTube channel. That means on the best way you can create your YouTube channel so you'll be having more views and more engagement on your stories and everything. Before creating your YouTube channel, you have to have some things in your mind. This channel I'm creating, what will I be using this channel for? For example, you can be using your YouTube channel for storytelling, movie recap, and so on. There are so many niche, anatomy, there are so many niche under YouTube channel which you can create. So before creating your YouTube channel, you have to think what type of niche, and under that niche, what type of sub niche am I creating? So that means you have to have that mindset so you can know what type of YouTube channel you want to create. So before you create your YouTube channel account, think something before doing that type of niche. Creating this channel for that should be your most concerning, and what type of sub niche you should do. So I'm going to take niche now, for example now. So there is so many kind of niche, as I've said before. There is storytelling, movie recap, anatomy, crime scene, animal rescue, and so many more. And under that storytelling, there is sub niche under storytelling. There is family betrayal, marriage, so many type of sub niche under it. And under movie recap, there is so many type of sub niche too. There is action movie recap, horror movie recap, and so many more. So before you start creating your YouTube channel, so you have to have something in your mind. What am I creating this channel for? This is the secret nobody will ever tell you. That is why when you post in your YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, sometimes you don't have much engagement because there's what is called algorithm in all platforms. So while posting, like for example, today now you posted storytelling, you have a lot of views. Tomorrow you went to post movie recap, and next tomorrow you went to horror movie, and the other day you went for anatomy, and the other day you start changing niche. So the algorithm will be confused on what particular niche your channel is about. So they'll stop distributing your video to anyone. So they'll say, so the algorithm now will not be confused that, okay, this particular channel, what is this particular channel for? So which means they will no longer be distributing your channel. So for example, now your first story which you posted, which is storytelling, which you have many views, when you go back to post movie recap, they'll first test your audience because your first video have given you some audience. So they'll first test your audience. So these people love this kind of movie, which means you are already building people on your channel. So the first thing is that after you posted that movie recap, while you have already posted storytelling, they'll first push your video to those people that watch your last video. So why those people does not, if they push your video to those people and they refuse to watch your video, that means they'll kill your video. There's what is called killing a video. So they'll just bring your video down, which means this video is not good for this channel. This niche you are trying to follow does not good for this channel. There's nothing like they shadow ban your channel. There's nothing like that. Those people are just trying to just give you one kind of thing, so you'll be thinking that there's something like shadow ban. There's nothing like shadow ban in any way. What they are doing is that while you are posting, you must be consistent in what you have been posting in one sub niche and in one niche. If you are posting storytelling, you must not post anything more than storytelling. And inside that storytelling, there's what is called sub niche. That sub niche, if you are posting family betrayal, you must be consistent on family betrayal. Everything you'll be posting will be about family betraying this, like brother betraying sisters, sister betraying this, family betraying one person. So that is how it's going to be. If you are posting movie recap, you are posting action movie recap, it will be all action movie recap. unless if you have built your channel to one extent. But when you are starting, don't do that mistake. Don't ever post too niche in one channel. It will never make your video go viral. It will never make your video go viral. For example, now you are posting this type of video now.
I hope so, mommy, because I am very scared right now. I love him and I don't want to lose him.
Let's just keep believing in God. I believe that everything will surely go back to normal.
And later you change it to another niche. It will never go viral as the one you are posting before. So I was saying there's what is called algorithm. So algorithm will make the video you post, like the niche you are consistent on, to go more viral. So it will not confuse the algorithm on how your video are going to go viral, because the algorithm will know that this your channel is based on this niche. This your channel is based on storytelling. This my channel is based on movie recap. This my channel is based on this and that. So the algorithm will not be confused on what your channel is all about. So as I'm talking, so I'm going to teach you on how you'll be able to create your YouTube account very perfectly. That is your YouTube channel. But you're going to need three major things in creating your YouTube account. So you're going to need a new Gmail. You're going to need YT Studio, that is YouTube Studio. Then you're going to need your YouTube to create your YouTube channel. So this is how you're going to be creating your YouTube channel. Follow me and let's go. And please don't forget to subscribe for more storytelling, for more tips on how to create more type of AI and animation videos.